In my previous touch panel video, I said I'd show you how I adjusted the sensitivity of the TTP223 sensors. The datasheet says we can use a capacitor of up to 50 pF between the sensing area and the ground pin. Now the easiest and cheapest way would be to make our own capacitor, for which we'd need two conductive plates insulated from each other by a dielectric. We could use the touch surface as one plate, and for the other plate we could use some sticky copper tape, which is normally used for screening, and then rely on the red paint as the dielectric. Our capacitor came out as about 60 picofarad, which is a bit too much for our application. But if we fold back the foil, it will reduce the value and we can experiment to get things just right. Now for testing, I used very thin sensing wires taped to a polythene lid. And as you can see, the sensitivity is okay when we actually touch the wires, but it doesn't work through the lid, except for one sensor which had no foil capacitor fitted. So this proves our capacitor works. The next thing to consider is the number of pins we need to connect to a microcontroller. For an 8x8 matrix we'll need 16 pins. Not got 16 pins? Just connect up a 4067 multiplexer board and you only need 5 pins. But for now, we can just have a play and experiment on wire spacing, wire length and capacitance, and please do let me know how you get on, or just comment below with your thoughts.